Hello guys, and welcome to Different Russia channel. Today we are with you in a very big shopping plaza near Moscow MKAD, Moscow Ring Road, Белая Дача. We go with you to Leonardo, a big DIY store. That is also for stitching. The small one, $1. What is here? $2. Also $2. So guys, I do not understand anything here, just will show you. Чемодан, the suitcase, a wooden one. Looks nice. 2,300 rubles, about $30. The same as here. And small baskets. Alex is suffering. Лёша страдает, ходит. Alex, they have a chair somewhere. You must find it. Стульчик. О, Alex, for you. Sit. Oh, lots of boxes, guys. I have to buy something for me, definitely. Not very expensive. Alex found some tools. Alex, you could find something interesting for you.
Да, он смотрел кусачечки.
Yeah, косачечки. But the price higher than in Castorama.
Естественно. Перед знакомством вообще.
I bought for 150 rubles. Here, approximately 30% more expensive. About $25. I don't know the brand, guys, whether it's good or not. I know Tim Holtz is great, but they do not have Tim Holtz here. They do not sell. I want Tim Holtz scissors, but to order from abroad, that is very expensive. The delivery is very expensive. So, but in our local shops I do not see them. I wanted a small pair of Tim Holtz scissors. So maybe someday I go to the States and buy there a few scissors of different sizes.
вообще всякие разные.
Я в твоей тележке.
Threads. I need Gutermann. Where is Gutermann?
Здесь наборы, можно
No Gutermann here. Gutermann thread is considered to be the best. That is for cutting. I have such kits for wood cutting, for lineal cutting, approximately like that one.
Нет.
Liquid leather. Ой, что только не придумает. Господи, столько всего. Sewing machines, швейные машинки. $200, $300, $400. Brother is a very popular brand here. Gineme also popular.
Приятного аппетита. Иди, а то потом не
Threads. But I do not see Gutermann. So guys, we explore the store with you. Just go from one shelf to another, as if you are also shopping here with me. So I try to walk very slowly for you to watch everything. But the music is playing here, that is bad. Everything for painting. Very big department with brushes, with paper. Not every Leonardo store is like this one. They have three categories: small shops with just a small variety of goods, a bigger one, and so-called flagmansky, the biggest out of all. This one is the biggest. That is why they have a very big choice of everything, of paints, of paper, so lots of everything. Flagmansky magazine. There are only few of them in Moscow, and that is one of them. Acrylic. About 455 rubles, about $6-7 for one paint.
О, самолет.
Pastel, soft pastels. Here's the price for one, about $2 for one such stick. But they also are in sets. Watercolor pencils. I need also Faber-Castell for fabric. So now we will take a basket. That is the paper. From time to time, guys, I make soap. I cook soap. And that is a big variety. I have such silicone glass, very convenient. Even if you do not make soap, that is very convenient. You may measure small liquids. Very great. Osnova, that is the base for soap making. 1 kilogram, about 2 pounds, $3. They also of different quality. So there is some aroma oils and the foams. The foams are usually expensive, guys, about $10. That is not a very cheap hobby. That is for candles, guys. Ready candles. And also very cheap candles for $1.50. That is for aroma. Smells, guys, wonderful. Okay, let's go on. I have lost my card somewhere. Alex, that is my card, take it. Бери. Поехали на шопинг. So guys, we have discovered several kits. They are pretty high and Alex had to go on such a ladder to help me. Yeah, look guys, what kits they have. That is the hair, fox. Alex, show someone else. A bear. The price about $20 for every kit. Yeah, I have found 3. The elephant, a fox, of course, how to live without a fox, baby fox, a girl, it's a girl, and also it's a girl, a bear. Also, of course, a lot of everything else. Oh, my pen. So we have discovered such kits and I will try to make them. So I hope that won't be very difficult, but the level here is hard. You see, 3 hearts here, hard level. So I think that is teddy bear technology, but I may be wrong. But honestly speaking, guys, they do not have a very big variety of teddy bear making things. So just a little bit here and also a little bit here, that is all. Of course, that is not enough to make a bear. So guys, here it is, the glue that Liz sent to me to try. School glue, washable. So it was cool. Yeah, I tried to use it. It was great. So that is, I think that is all. So it is only here. Elmer's. The price $10. This one is $20. So pretty expensive glue. So guys, today the shopping was successful. I bought really lots of everything and Alex was super cool. He was waiting patiently with my cell phone, with internet. So Alex is a hero today. He could survive in Leonardo about 2.5 hours. Yeah, Alex?
Да.
Maybe 2 hours I spent here.
Часа 2 лазила, да?
Yeah, about 2 hours, guys, I was here. That was really lots of fun, super cool. Like a holiday, guys. Because online shopping, that as well, it's profitable, but it doesn't bring so many emotions like the real shopping. Goodbye, Leonardo. I'll be back. Do not promise that very soon, but I hope, really hope. The staff was super cool, super nice, so many thanks to them. I don't know, guys, maybe because they saw me with a camera or that is their usual behavior. They tried to help, they gave lots of useful advice. Oh, Again, the security, yeah. Super cool shopping today, and now lunchtime.